Sarwa Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Sarwa are in the description if you want to check it out. Sarwa is a UAE-based robo-advisor designed to simplify investing for both beginners and experienced investors in the Middle East. It offers automated, low-cost and globally diversified portfolios tailored to individual risk levels, making it an excellent option for passive investors looking for a hands-off approach to wealth building. Sarwa combines AI-driven portfolio management with access to human advisors, ensuring users get both automation and expert guidance when needed. One of Sarwa's standout features is its investment strategy, which is based on globally diversified ETFs from providers like Vanguard and BlackRock. Users can choose from different portfolio types, including conventional, halal-compliant and socially responsible investing (SRI) options. Sarwa also provides tax-free investment accounts for UAE residents, like the Sarwa Trade and Sarwa Save options, which allow commission-free stock trading and high-interest savings. The platform is mobile-friendly, offering a seamless user experience with automated deposits, rebalancing, and portfolio tracking. Sarwa is best suited for Middle Eastern investors seeking an easy-to-use robo-advisor with local regulatory compliance. Its fees are competitive, with a tiered structure ranging from 0.5% to 0.85% annually, depending on the portfolio size. New investors can start with as little as $5, making it highly accessible. However, one downside is that its investment options are somewhat limited compared to platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment, which offer more advanced tax optimization strategies. Additionally, while Sarwa's halal portfolios are great for ethical investors, they may have slightly higher fees due to the nature of Sharia-compliant funds. Overall, Sarwa is a top choice for investors in the UAE and the broader Middle East who want an easy, automated investment solution with a strong focus on accessibility, diversification, and regulatory compliance. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. Let me know your thoughts on Sarwa in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing reviews.